Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to Money Hats Tips. If you're in the US right now and need an extra $200, $500 per week without quitting your 9 to 5, stick around because in the next 10 minutes, I'm dropping 3 dead simple side hustles that literally anyone can start this week. Zero skills, zero big investment. Let's hatch some money. Smash the like button if you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck and subscribe with notifications because I drop new USA money hacks every single week. By the way, the third hustle on this list made me $340 in my first 7 days testing it. Keep watching till the end so you don't miss that one. Hustle number 1. Delivery apps, DoorDash, Uber Eats. Number 1. The fastest cash you can make starting tonight. Delivery apps. Right now in 2025, DoorDash and Uber Eats are paying new drivers up to $1,000 bonus after 100 deliveries in most US cities. Average pay? $18, $28 per hour after tips in busy areas like LA, NYC, Chicago, Texas. Even smaller cities, $15, $20 hour easily. How to start in 24 hours. 1. Download DoorDash or Uber Eats driver app. 2. Upload license, insurance, background check. Takes 1 to 3 days max. 3. Work evenings or weekends. Just 10 to 15 hours week equals $200, $400 easy. Pro tip. Turn on hot zones in the app. Red areas pay 1.5x 2x more. Hustle number 2. User testing websites. 10 to 20 minutes equals $10, $15. Hustle number 2. Get paid to surf the internet literally. Companies pay normal people $10, $15 for 10 to 20 minute website tests. Top platforms right now. Usertesting.com. Try my UI. Userlytics, how it works. You record your screen plus voice while using a website and saying what you think. Example. This button is confusing. I'd click here instead. Payouts. $10 PayPal within 7 days. Real talk, I know people doing 10 tests per week equals $100, $150 completely from home in pajamas. Sign up links in description. They're all free to join. Hustle number 3. Print on demand. The $340 week 1. Okay, the one that blew up for me. Print on demand passive income. You create simple designs, even text only, upload to sites, and they print and ship. You keep profit. Best platform 2025. Printify plus Etsy combo. Steps. Takes 2 hours to set up. 1. Go to canva.com. Free account. 2. Make simple text designs like Retired 2025, living my best life. Tax this. Funny accountant shirt. Us a side hustle king. 3. Connect Printify free. Gives choose t-shirts, hoodies, mugs. 4. Open Etsy shop. 20 cents listing fee. 5. List 20 to 30 designs in first week real numbers. One of my designs sold 98 units last month at $9 profit each equals $882 pure profit. Start small, scale fast. Zero inventory, zero shipping. Bonus quick tip bonus. Combine all 3. Deliver 10 hours gives do 5 user tests while waiting gives designs work while you sleep. That's easily $500, $800 extra per week for most people. Alright guys, which hustle are you starting first? Drop 1, 2, or 3 in the comments right now. If this helped, destroy that like button, subscribe and turn on notifications because next video drops the exact Etsy shop setup tutorial. Links to everything in description. Let's make per cat money in 2025. See you in the next one.